Good day everyone. Fix Windows 11 Chrome not updating. So if you're unable to update your Google Chrome, this tutorial is for you. So open your Google Chrome browser and at the top right corner where you see the three dots, click on that and then go to settings, which is the second last option. And once you click on settings, this will open up like this. And here we need to scroll down and click on the very last option at the left hand side, about Chrome, and you will see it will start updating your Google Chrome. You can see it is updating 40% and at 50, and you can see the version and build. So this should work. If you click right here, it should update it, and if it's not, you can simply go to privacy and security and then click on this delete browsing data, and from here we can select all time and clear the cookies and cache from your computer. So sometimes if you have a lot of cache, a lot of junk in the browser, that also cause update issues. So you can select that and you can simply click on delete data, and once you do that, it should work, and it should say nearly up to date, relaunch Chrome to finish updating. I'll click on relaunch and we have successfully updated the Chrome. Do let me know in the comment section whether it is updated or not. You can see your Chrome is up to date. So you can also try that. And if this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.